Hello, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio, Oliver Springs, Tennessee. I've got Jimmy's Streetglide here, and I'm pretty excited to let you hear this walkaway. This is the first bike that we put the new Hertz SP 4.900 amp in. This amp is a 2,000 watt peak, 1,000 watt RMS amp. Doing 4 SX165 Neo Hertz speakers in the front and a set of SX690 Neos in the back. That means we're getting 250 RMS watts to the front and about 160 to the rear. Now we'll be doing a full product review video very soon where we'll amp dyno it, show you those exact wattage tests. But I want to show you just how loud and clear this amp is on these speakers. All right, so we've got our copyright free track loaded up. Let's play it and see just how loud it is as we walk away from it. I can actually feel it in the concrete through my shoes standing next to it. So we'll wait and see what we got here. We're used to maybe a couple hundred feet, pretty loud and clear, but this one's not dropping off any. Again, this is a 6-speaker build. SX165 Neos in the front, SX690 Neos in the back. That new 2,000 watt Hertz amp, 1,000 watt RMS. Still does that very efficiently. You don't have to upgrade your battery. Still very loud, still very clear. Roughly 150 feet away now, approaching 200. I think Jimmy's neighbors are going to love him just as much as mine love me. I've been walking away for going on a minute and a half now. The bike is that little dot back there, but it's still loud. It's still very, very clear. Super, super impressive. I'm not going to keep walking. Get a little out of breath as far as we went already. Definitely watch the next video. We've got one coming out, full review on the amp. We're also going to do the amp dyno results. We're going to connect each one of our amps up too and show you what more power means in more decibel measured with an SPL meter. Thank you for watching Volunteer Audio. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, tell your friends about us. And I'm super, super impressed with this amplifier. Again, comment below. We'll be happy to reach back out to you, answer any questions you have. Call us at 1-844-30-AUDIO or sales@volaudio is our email. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a blessed day.